What we have here is a 1981 Casablanca Zephyr in black and brass. Now this does use the bell canopy, 4 blades, slumber quiet. Now the story behind this fan is that it came from Craigslist. It was about an hour or so away from me. Now this has been on Craigslist forever, relisted many times, and I think nobody bothered to get it because not only was the price high, but the blades were painted white. So what I ended up doing was I gave those blades away to another collector, and at Fanimation one year I found this blade set for sale, which is actually the same finish as the original blades that were to this fan before they were painted white. I know that because I stripped some of the paint off of those painted white blades. So it's actually kind of nice how that worked out. The seller told me that the original Slumber Quiet failed. Now what ended up happening was this fan was maybe 3 years old when the original Slumber Quiet quit, and he told me that he went to the actual Casablanca fan company when they were still around and had them put a new Slumber Quiet in there, and ever since then it's been working. This fan has new bearings, and the center globe is also new. Now literally just a couple days ago from now, when I'm recording this video, a few days ago, I was in my closet, which has 2 sliding doors. I was digging some blades out for another fan, and I tripped over the door. My foot hit the bottom of one of the doors. Not hard at all, it was just very light. So I was going to go inspect it, so I took these blades, I put them out in the other room, and as I was doing so, I just heard a loud crash and a lot of glass break. The door has smashed down right on my shelf of glass. So it broke 3 globes, it broke that globe, and it broke 2 others which were etched glass. Nothing too serious. I was able to find this globe at Lowe's, but I might have a little bit of a hard time finding the other 2, but I hope I can find them someday. But anyway, the outer 4 shades are still original. I'd be out of luck if any of those broke. So we'll start with the light. Now what ended up happening was this potentiometer on there, which is a speed control on the side, worked perfectly, and what ended up happening was, for the hell of it, to test another Slumber Quiet board, I tried to on another Slumber Quiet board in a Casablanca 4 Seasons, and it started smoking up. I don't know why it works with this one and it doesn't work with that one. It doesn't make any sense to me. Start it off now on the slow speed. Doesn't make any sense to me at all, but the potentiometer survived for the most part. It does still work. Controls the fan alright. It's just originally when it was set all the way down, it would work. It would spin the blades, but now you have to turn it up quite a ways to get the blades to start spinning. So I hope it does not get any worse than this, because if it does, that would not be good. I believe this way is up. No, the other way is up. Increase the speed a little bit. And I just realized the top of the sideband is messed up. I gotta fix that now, but whatever. This is a very nice fan and I absolutely love it. I guess that's all the way up. That goes a little bit more. Alright, well this is all the way up. Shakes a little bit, nothing too serious. Show it with the light again. I believe that tassel is original. That tassel might be original. I gotta pull it twice. When I got this fan from Craigslist, it already had that tassel on there, as far as I remember. You know what? Now I'm thinking I actually put that on separately, if I'm remembering right now. There it is, spinning down. That noise in the background is the air conditioning. That's about all I have for the 1981 Casablanca Zephyr.